Hi, this is REALME GT2 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. We'll see here Wi-Fi switcher, just click once on the switcher and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you wanna see this password, we should click to this eye icon. I'll enter it out of screen. So after that, we should click here to the right upper corner. Wait a second and we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can just use more networks, just enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you can switch between them. To turn on Wi-Fi, we should use this Wi-Fi switcher once again, just click on it. And also we get one more way how we can just connect to Wi-Fi our phone. So we should first open the control panel and here you'll see Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on icon to activate the Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And if you want to launch Wi-Fi settings from here, hold for a while this icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.